I'm Larry Angelsano reporting for Avionics News here at NBAA 2025 in Las Vegas. You know, airplanes aren't the only important things here at the show. Maintenance is equally as important, and so is test equipment. Laversab is here with some modern test equipment worth a look. Here's Kerry Neighbors.
It's rolling. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Kerry Neighbors with Laversab here at the NBAA 2025. I'm here to show you the ARTS-7000. This test set is an all-inclusive unit. You have nav, comm, ELT, DME, transponder, TCAS, altitude monitoring, GPS, and RF tools. What makes this box different is that you could tie the ARTS-7000 with any of our pitot-static systems and utilize the altitude monitoring function and be able to do your 91, 411, and 413 on the same screen simultaneously. What's great about it is you can also print your report. So what you've tested comes back out as a report. For instance, there's mode S, and we've done these tests. It shows you all the past results. And that's printable. It becomes part of your logbook entry. Another great thing about this is the ELT mode. When you can do all ELT modes, and the same thing is you can print the report, and you know there's a lot of data there that comes back out. Nav comm. Comm, we do cell cal, HF, AM, FM. And the great thing about it is you don't have to call Australia anymore. As far as the DME, we do something different. We do DME, ILS DME together, and VOR DME, so you could test your autopilot systems. One of the things that we're trying to work on right now is being able to overlay multiple test functions with this box. So for instance, Boeing came to us and said, hey, we would like to utilize this to do aircraft testing on ground. So that costs the savings for your fuel, pilots, insurance. It makes it safer. So with like mode S, you can test all the modes. You've got ADS-B in and out. You have TCAS. Another great thing is when you're doing your ADS-B testing in the hangar, we have the GPS functionality. You can do fixed or motion. And if we start test, you'll be able to see the map. You can easily do pin drops to do a waypoints to where you can fly a certain position if you'd like a track. It takes a few seconds to get the test running because it's actually working. And right now we got our GPS hooked up to our simulator over here. Okay, so up here you have our pulse antenna. This would go out on the ground in front of the aircraft about 20 feet away. The other guys you have to be about 3 feet away, and the beam width is narrow. Our beam width is wide, so you have an easier way of working with it. We also have We also have an antenna alignment tool to where you can get spot on results. You get 100% replies and your ERP comes up and you know exactly where the sweet spot is. So we're making your job a lot easier. As far as the unit goes, you have an 8-hour lithium ion battery. You have your NavCom portion here with the LT. You have your pulse section here with transponder, DME, TCAS. Our GPS is here, our VSWR is here. In future, we're gonna have radar altimeter and a data bus reader.
Price and availability?
Price right now with all the modules as it sits, with all the couplers, all the bells and whistles, you're roughly around $45,000. And then if you just need the independent NavCom, you're looking at about 14. Transponder is 18. Your TCAS and UATs are 2,500. We have CPDLC, which is going to be a software push. That's going to be 3,500. Capabilities are endless with this box at this point. So here's our GPS. Here's our track we've got going on. If I hit start, it's going to show us the little aircraft and we're going to fly around. It's also going to put our GPS signal. No?
Calibration.
Calibration's annual. You're looking at around, I think it's 1,200 for the 3 modules today, and it's going to increase as more modules you get. But we're turnaround times 4 days or it's free. Currently availability is about 8 weeks, but we're trying to get them down to 6. Oh yeah, website, we have laversab.com aviation /aviation. We're based in Sugar Land, Texas, and we appreciate your time.